Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Funmi. Thank you for joining me again on this video. Today we're making my friend up. Her name is Kathleen. Kathleen just recently got engaged and I'm so happy for her. So today what we're doing is some sort of like a bridal trial, just to see what kind of look she wants to kind of go for when the time finally arrives. So I'm going to start with cleansing her skin. I'm using Superdrug makeup wipes and getting all the areas, the nose and the whole face basically. Now I'm going to go in with a moisturizer because we want to give moisture to her face, make it a lot softer for the makeup application. So I'm using Forever Living Aloe Vera jelly for her skin. It's really good. It's got a lot of benefits. Good for inflammation, it's good for burns, it's good for a whole lot of things. So guys, you want to get that, even if not for makeup application, for household use as well. So I'm just fanning that down so it dries down a little bit for the foundation to stick on it better. Now I'm going with the foundation application. I'm using the flat foundation brush, using the foundation Maybelline Superstay in the shade Warm Sun. I think it's a perfect shade for her skin tone. So if you've got a skin tone that's similar to hers, I think you should try that. Especially now that we're not allowed to, test foundations in shops. Maybe this can help you. So if you've got a skin tone that's similar to hers, you can just pick that up and see whether that works for you. And it's got quite good coverage as well. So I'm just stippling that into her face, making sure I get all the nice areas, making sure that it's properly sitting on her skin. And then I'm going to go in with a sponge, the Real Technic sponge. I made it damp by adding water to it. And then I'm just going to push that into her face, make sure that the base is flawless and remove all brush streaks. So now I'm going to set that cream highlighter I just put on. I'm going to use the RCMA no color powder. This powder is really good. So I'm doing that very lightly just to set that first, and then I'm going to use it to bake later on. So now you see me baking. Literally I'm just going to put like a load of powder in her face and leave it there to set. So now I'm going to bronze her face using the Sleek Superior Cover powder in the shade Tan. So I'm not going so deeply, just because it's a bridal look. We don't want that sharp full glam look. Some people like that, and that's a preference, and there's nothing wrong with it. But this look, the look we're going for today, is supposed to look a bit fresh. Although there's still a bit of drama on the eyes, we just wanted the eyes to take the spotlight. Basically, you just want to keep the skin as fresh as possible. So I'm using the light orange shade from my Lick and Lash Beauty palette in the corner of the eyes to give it some definition. I'm going to go in and deepen that color with the burgundy color that's just below that color. Sorry, the shades don't have names, so that's why I keep mentioning other, just saying the colors basically, because they don't have names. So I'm just going to blend that out again. Now I'm applying the shimmer shade from my Morphe 35B palette. It's the champagne gold shade. I'm going to apply that on the inner corner of her eyes. So now I'm just making sure that there are no harsh lines near the brows. So take a bit more product to clean up the mess I made with the brows earlier, just to give it more definition and make it cleaner. Now I'm applying gel liner, LA Girl gel liner. I think the shade's very black. So I'm doing that very gently. If you're still here, please click that subscribe button, join the fam. Okay, let's grow together, and click the like button if you like what you see. Thank you. Now I'm just brushing off all that bake with the MAC Studio Fix powder in NC45. It's a really good powder. If you want like a flawless makeup application, just grab one of these. So I got a disposable mascara wand to coat her lashes. We don't want her, we don't want to spread infections on her eyes. So what I do is I use a disposable wand to apply mascara on her eyes. If you're applying this makeup on yourself, you can totally use it from out, from the bottle. That's totally fine. So now I'm lining her lips. I'm using the liquid lipstick from Lime Crime, I want to say. It's in the shade Scandal. So I'm just lining the lips. I'm trying to make sure that the lip color matches with the eyeshadows that we put on, just to give it like a unified look. So I'm outlining the shape of her lips. Now I'm going to add another liquid lipstick just to create that ombre effect, very slightly, with the Sleek lipstick. The shade is in Shabby Chic. So I melt that into the previous lipstick I put earlier. You need to be really quick when you're using this lipstick because it's really matte. Okay, it won't move. Even when you're trying to take it off, you need like 2 makeup wipes. So we're just going to quickly create some loose waves in her hair. She did request for this hairstyle, and that's why we're doing it. We're just playing around with it to see what she'd like, but I hope you like it in the end. So I'm just putting a plait in her hair. It's very loose. It looks like I'm being firm, but I'm not really being firm. I'm just trying to grasp her hair as much as I can. So I'll just braid it up until the middle, just behind ear. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that and then tuck it in under the bulk of hair at the back. So please let me know in the comment section which look you actually prefer. Do you prefer her with straight hair or with this wavy hairstyle? I want to know your thoughts. Please put it in the comment section below. Thank you. So we're just finishing it off, and here's the final look. Before you go, guess what? Kat brought me this lovely cinnamon buns and they're so yummy. Thank you so much. You guys can check her out on Instagram and order yours. They are so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay safe and stay blessed.